Calculating concentration from titration is one of the typical questions in paper 2 at Excel IGCSE chemistry. The technique is always the same, so let's practice one of the past paper questions. This is a titration between the carboxylic acid, a dicarboxylic acid, and sodium hydroxide. And the information provided here is the volume of a sodium hydroxide used in the titration and also the concentration of sodium hydroxide. You are also provided with the volume of the dicarboxylic acid, and they want you to calculate the concentration of the carboxylic acid. With these type of questions, we are always dealing with moles. So first of all, we need to calculate the number of moles of sodium hydroxide. To do this, remember the triangle that links the number of moles with concentration and volume, where concentration equals the number of moles over the volume in decimeter cube. So number of moles of sodium hydroxide will equal the concentration times volume in decimeter cube. Of course, the volume provided here is in centimeter cube, so we have to divide this by 1000 to get it in decimeter cube. Concentration is 0.150 multiplied by the volume in decimeter cube, so it's 0.025. That will give you 0.00375 moles. Now, looking at the balanced equation, you can find that 2 moles of sodium hydroxide react with only 1 mole of the acid, which means the number of moles of the acid will equal half the moles of sodium hydroxide. So that gives us half times 0.00375. That will give you 0.00185 moles. And finally, we need to find the concentration, and we know that concentration equals the number of moles over volume in decimeter cubed. So this is going to be 0.00185 divided by the volume provided but in decimeter cubed, which is 17.5 centimeter cube. That would give you 0.0175 decimeter cube, and the concentration here is 0.10714 mole per decimeter cubed. They want the answer to 3 significant figures, so we're only going to keep 3 significant figures, so the concentration is 0.107.